Greetings, I am Jorel Vince Ruiz. And what if I told you that the greatest way we can honor Jose Rizal is to make him obsolete? You may think to yourself, that doesn't make much sense. In fact, it's quite insulting. Throughout Philippine education, from elementary to college level, we hear about Rizal all the time. Jose Rizal's works and achievements have contributed greatly to Filipino society. His ideas has helped burgeon a national identity for the Philippines, arouse a will within Filipinos to fight oppression, and establish the foundations for our national sovereignty and solidarity, which remains relevant to this day. And because his works are so relevant, they are taught to us repeatedly. But why must we make him obsolete? That is the idea posited by Renato Constantino. More than a century has passed since Rizal's death in 1896. He was a man who exposed corruption, challenged oppression, and ultimately gave his life for the Filipino people. However, there is a truth that Constantino poses that may be difficult to hear. Jose Rizal's efforts may be for naught, since his ideas are still relevant. We grew up admiring Rizal as a hero, brilliant, courageous, and selfless for exposing the faults and flaws of his government and the society that it governs. But how is it that his character is his alone? How is it that his ideas can still be contrasted to the society we inhabit today? Rizal wrote about corruption, and we still see corruption. He wrote about the ignorance of the Filipino people, and still we fall for propaganda and struggle with misinformation. He exposed elites manipulating systems for personal gain, and today we still see power abused. Conflict started over personal gain, public wealth misappropriated, and justice delayed. More than a century has passed, and yet we still recognize his characters in our everyday lives. The opportunists like Padre Damaso, the selfish and passive cravens like Capitan Tiago, the knowing subservience like Doña Victoria, and the common people who are most affected by these types of people in our society, like Sisa or Cabezang Tales. Rizal held up a mirror to our society, and still it reflects back at us. Our goal as the people inhabiting our society is to not just remember Rizal, but make him obsolete. Our goal is to finish his work and build a society where corruption is no longer tolerated, ignorance is replaced by critical thinking, and power is used to serve the people holistically and not to exploit. To do that, we must all embody Rizal in a way, willing to speak up against injustice, exploitation, and bad governance. We must make people like Jose Rizal obsolete so there will no longer be any like him, a martyr, a one in a million person willing to sacrifice his own life to enlighten his society. Again, I'm Jorel Vince Ruiz, and thank you.